It used to be that after watching video or after liking a video, you probably don't know the video you like or the video you watch. There is nowhere you can actually see them. But on this video, I am going to show you where you can see your previously watched video on X and also see the previous like on X. Basically your history. Now, this particular feature is now available on all operating system, but right now is on iOS. So let's go ahead and show you guys how you can actually achieve that. Now, right here, open my X application, click on your profile icon on the top right hand area, and you are going to notice where it says history. Click on history, and then from here you are going to see the bookmark history, your previously watched video, your article that you've actually read, and also the post you like. Now, let's go ahead and test this thing, and also with a few other things I'm going to point out. Now, this is a video. The video just played, right? Let's increase the length of this video to the end, and then let's play it. So I just assume I watched that video, right? Now, I have actually tested this initially. Now, that is a video I watched. Now, let me scroll down to a different post. This is a different post, right? And then I give it a like, right? Scroll down to another post and then put it on bookmark. Now, let me go over to my history section to look for all of this. Then on my history section, this is my history. This is the one I bookmark, accurate. Then on the ones I watch, it is not showing. This is the only feature that is not working properly on this app. Now, there is no article because I obviously did not scroll to article. Then for the liked one, these are the video that I liked. Everything works apart from the video you just watched. So I hope X is going to improve on that. But anyway, this is just what I want to show you. This is currently how X history works. So if you have any question, leave it on the comment section. See you on the next one. Peace.